Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your digital watchdog in a world full of shady ads and questionable products. Today, we're reviewing the viral Noblu Glasses, those blue light blockers that promise better sleep, no eye strain, and even reduced anxiety. But are they worth your money or just overpriced plastic with a fancy name? Let's find out. Noblu claims their glasses block up to 90% of blue light from screens, protect your eyes from digital fatigue, and improve sleep by filtering out harsh wavelengths, all while looking sleek and premium. Sounds great, but we've heard this story before from dozens of generic blue light glasses brands. So we put Noblu to the test. The glasses do feel lightweight, and the design is trendy. They use amber-tinted lenses, the standard trick for filtering blue light. Blue light filter? Reduce screen glare? Sleep improvement? Maybe. But here's the catch. Nothing in the specs that makes Noblu different from dozens of cheaper brands on Amazon. Same lens type, similar frames, just triple the price. There are limited legit reviews, no third-party testing, and a ton of paid influencers hyping the product. Their site uses urgency tactics, fake countdowns, limited stock alerts, and vague science-backed claims. And several users reported delayed shipping and no response from customer support, a big red flag for any e-commerce brand. So, are Noblu glasses worth it? Not really. If you want blue light protection, there are cheaper, better-rated alternatives that offer the same, or even more, for half the price. Noblu isn't necessarily a scam, but it's definitely overhyped and overpriced. Thanks for watching Online Scam Advisor. Drop a comment if you've tried Noblu or got scammed by a similar brand. Hit that like button if this saved you money, and subscribe so you don't get fooled by fancy ads and empty promises. Thank you.